DJT stock analysis and DJT stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Yeah, after a very crazy increase in price, we're seeing some like kind of retracements with DJT this last week. So end of week performance, we're like 21% down. And it's just part of the game. It is normal. We are going to experience retracements. It's inevitable. It is going to happen. That being said though, you can see I still have lines pointing towards the upside. That means what? That means that I'm still potentially looking to take in this thing even higher. But you can see that unless I see a decent double break, I'm not going to buy. That's simple, man. Like, why would I go buy something randomly if there is no bullish momentum behind it and there's no intent behind it? Like, it just makes no sense for me right now. But also you have to understand it did make sense for me in the beginning. But I've done 30,000 videos. I've spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships. This is what has worked for me the best. So obviously, I'm going to keep you updated. This is not financial advice. It's all demo and simulated. If you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.